Hi, my name is Sachin Takmare and you are welcome to the third video of this series. In the previous video, we saw how AI started in 1956 and who initiated it. At the same time, we had an important question. If AI started in 1956 and is such an old concept, why it take so long to develop? Why has AI become so popular in the last 15 years? Why is it so powerful today? In simple terms, why did it take 60 to 70 years to become successful? The answer is very interesting. AI almost failed twice. AI went through two winters. So, what is an AI winter? It is a period when interest in AI decreases, funding stops, and research slows down. In simple words, people start losing trust in AI. The first AI winter came in 1970s. At that time, scientists were making very big promises like machines would think like human, make decisions like human and many more. But the reality was different. Computers were very slow. Hardware was not that much capable. Data was not available. Algorithms were weak. Because of this, expected results were not achieved. As a result, government and companies reduced funding and AI development slowed down. The second AI winter came during 1980s to 1990s. During this time, expert system became popular. An expert system is a machine that makes decision like an expert, but it does not learn on itself or its own. It only follows the predefined rules. For example, consider a medical expert system. If a patient has fever plus cough, then the patient may have flu. If the patient has chest pain, the patient may have problems in heart. The machine is given rules in advance and provide some rules based on this. However, the problem started appearing in the system. The rules became very complex, the systems were not flexible, they could not handle the new situations, and the maintenance became difficult. As a result, interest in AI again decreases and funding stops and the AI development got slowed down. But then what changed? How did AI suddenly boom in 10 to 15 years? There are three main reasons and two supporting reasons. First is the availability of the data, and second is availability of hardware. Third reason is powerful algorithms, and fourth reason is ease of programming, and fifth reason is expert communities. So we will discuss one by one. First is availability of data. Between 2012 and 2014, there was a rapid growth in internet and smartphones. People started using social media, online shopping, and many other platforms. This leads to creation of massive amount of data in the form of photos, IDs, text, and voice. Some analysts say that the amount of data created up to 2014 is suppose X, then in 2015 we have created 2x data. In the next year we have created 4x data. In the next year we have created 8x data. Like that, data increased exponentially year after year. That is why the many researchers say data is the new fuel. Just like a car needs fuel to run, AI needs data to learn. Second reason is powerful computers. Earlier computers were slow and training of AI models took long time. But with GPUs, graphical processing units, high speed processing, high speeding computing possible. Tasks that earlier took 10 days can now be completed in an hour, even minutes. So hardware availability is the second reason. Third reason is powerful algorithms and architectures. Earlier, the systems were weak because the algorithm was not that efficient. Now we have powerful models and architectures such as ANN, CNN, RNN, transformers. We will study this in detail in upcoming videos, but keep in mind that these are the names of the architectures, and these models learn from data very efficiently. Now, machines do not just follow rules, they learn on its own and make decisions. The fourth reason is easy programming or ease in programming. Earlier, the programming was difficult, but with the introduction of Python programming language, it becomes much easier to use this language and learn this language. It provides ready to use libraries and TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and many more. There is no need to write the program from the scratch. Earlier, the task that requires 100 lines of codes in programming language, it reduced to just 10 to less than 10 lines in Python. Code reusability increases and the development become faster. And the last reason is expert communities. Today, learning has become very easy because of the experts. You can directly seek help from the experts. There are many platforms like YouTube tutorials, GitHub projects, online courses, Stack Overflow. Experts freely share their knowledge, and many communities are available to guide beginners. So, in this video, we understood AI faced two winters. Technology was not ready at that time, but now, due to data, hardware, advanced architecture, Python programming language, expert communities, AI has experienced major development. And now the important question arises, how does machine actually learns? How is machine get trained? What is artificial neuron? How does a perceptron works? I will explore all this topic in the upcoming videos. To continue the storytelling series Neurons to ChatGPT and understand the complete journey, stay connected with me. Follow, subscribe, and share this with your friends who are really interested to learn AI. So, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.